Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Well, I guess better late than never. I finally got my Simon Says stamp December card kit and it's so pretty. Joyful Season. It's called Joyful Season and got peppermint and got the mini distress ink in the new color Rustic Wilderness. That's why I only ordered the oxide because I knew that was coming in the kit. Okay, so let's dive into this. The kit includes a 6x8 stamp set called Joyful Season, and what great sentiments these are, and I'm sure that that is Christina Warner's handwriting. Wishing you and yours a joyful season, missing you at Christmas time, Merry Christmas, warm holiday wishes, have a holly jolly holiday, Merry Christmas. I don't have my glasses on. Let's see if I can read the small ones. As we are apart this Christmas, please know that you are in our hearts. Thoughts and prayers. May the new year bring countless blessings of comfort and joy. Sending you holiday hugs from our house to yours. Dreaming of when we can once again gather together around the tree. May our time apart be brief and filled with the hope for a better year to come. Merry Christmas. Season's greetings. Love the mistletoe, candy cane. You got this other Merry Christmas, some holly, a pine cone, and then this beautiful spray here. Those are great sentiments for this year, but you know, if you can't always see all your loved ones, you know, at Christmas time, those would be great, you know, anytime. Okay, so the next thing is the candy cane heart die. Candy cane heart die. Here it is. This is super cute. You can see it in these examples here, and so you do this one out of white, this one out of red, layer it together, these little strings to hold it. Super cute. Okay, the Tim Holtz Distress Ink Cube. You get 12 double-sided sheets of Simple Stories Vintage North Pole 6x8 paper. Oh, these are so pretty. So pretty. I may just frame that. That's so cute and use it as a Christmas decoration. That one too. I need a few more like things put on the walls at the ranch house. And might even put those in, maybe I'll save those for putting it up in the bathroom in the winery at Christmas time. Merry Christmas to all and to all a good night. I love the vintage look of this. So cute. Okay, I love those papers. Simple Stories always has pretty papers. Okay, one package of Tim Holtz Ideology Christmas Velvet trims, and you get the darker colors and then the more vibrant colors and the silver. So velvet trims. Okay, what is next? You get a small bottle of glossy accents. I love these small bottles. I use them all the time. And one pack of Carta Dear Santa Ephemera. And love ephemera packs. So easy to make cards or quick cards or tags with. Yeah, when I was trying to make some kid tags, wish I would have had this. This would have been so fun to make some kid tags with all the little Santas and things. So cute. Okay, there's that. 2 sheets of Nina Silver. Let's see, this Simon Says stamp. It's not a coupon. Okay, you get 2 sheets of Nina Solar White, 80-pound cardstock, 1 sheet of Simon Says stamp, 100-pound cardstock in Midnight Green, which that is really cool, I like this Midnight Green, and Lipstick Red. And then you get 1 each of the Simon Says stamp. Ethel. She's starting to go after Christmas decorations. A2 envelopes, Simon's A2 envelopes in yes, it is. I'm sorry. Metallic Schoolhouse Red. That's my favorite red of theirs. And metallic khaki and white. And there are very heavy duty envelopes with the peel and stick, so that is great. All right, so this is the December 2020 card kit, Joyful Season. I am not going to make a project with it right now, but I'm going to see what the January theme is over at the Christmas Craft Creations blog, challenge blog that I'm on the design team for. So maybe I can make something for that with this. So we'll see. But bye for now. I will have another video here real soon. Thanks for watching.